Hello guys and welcome back to OMS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can fix the Epic Games Launcher EC-BI-LS-0. So to get started, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to simply open up the Windows icon and you're going to type in Control Panel in the search bar. Now once Control Panel is open, you're going to look for Network and Sharing Center, and from Network and Sharing Center what you're going to do is you're going to go to Change Adapter Settings. From Change Adapter Settings, just go to whatever you are connected to, so either Ethernet or Wi-Fi. I'm connected to Wi-Fi. And then once you go to whatever you're connected to, simply hit on Properties. From Properties, what you're going to do is you're going to look for Internet Protocol version 4, and you're going to simply double-click on it. Now, once you double-click on it, what you're going to do is you're going to click on the Use the following DNS server address. And so the top one is going to be 8.8.8.8, and then the alternate DNS server is going to be 8.8.4.4. Now once this is simply finished, you can hit OK, and then you can hit OK again and simply close everything. And then what you can do is look for Epic Games Launcher, simply right click on it and then hit run as administrator and then click yes. Now once you open up the game this way, the error code should be fixed and you should have no problems whatsoever. So yeah, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a nice day.